Rich TV Live and www.richpicksdaily.com, bringing you the news. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you had a great weekend. This is the beginning of the week, the last trading week of September. Friday, we start October. Let's bring you the news right now. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. In saying that, we love to bring you winners, and we love to bring them to you first. We love to break down the news, the analysis, and make sure you, the people at home, are becoming profitable traders. And let's talk about CAVU Mining Corp. We brought it to you first not too long ago at what price? 35 cents. Today it's trading at 48.5. Congratulations to members all over the world. And we're just getting started. They got big news today. Let's break it down right now. All right, we're going to break down the big news. I want to show you guys their website. Let's do that. I'll show you guys their website right here while we break down this news. This is their website, CAVUmining.com. Creating value through discovery. The electric vehicle EV sector will need 250% more copper by 2030 for charging stations alone. And CAVU Mining Corp is mining for copper for you, the people that are interested in electric vehicles. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the news because it's big news, and we're going to break it down right here, right now, live on Rich TV Live. As the market opens, CAVU Mining intersects 22.28 meters of 1.405% CU, which is copper, 11.7 grams a ton AG, and which is silver, and 0.532 grams a ton AU, which is gold, 1.84% CuEq on Hopper Copper Gold project in the Yukon. This is what the title looks like. Let me show you guys what the title looks like right here. Pretty exciting news here. Now, if you guys like this news, if you like this information, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. We love to bring you the winners, and we love to bring them to you first. And this has already been a winner, despite the fact that very few people even know who this company is yet. But little by little, day by day, as the news circulates and as we talk about it, more and more of you, the people at home, are starting to learn about this potential junior mining winner, which you can buy in Canada on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol CAVU. You can buy it on the OTC in America under CAVVF, and you can buy it in Frankfurt, Germany under the symbol 8NQ. Company is pleased to announce drill results for drill holes HOP21-DDH-01 to -03 on the Hopper Copper Gold project in Yukon Territory, located in the traditional territory of the Champagne and Aishihik First Nations. So you can see the highlights. Hole HOP21-DDH-01 intersected 22.28 meters of 1.84% CuEq, consisting of 1.405% copper, 11.7 grams a ton AG, which is silver, and 0.532 grams a ton AU, which is gold. Hole HOP21-DDH-02 intersected 9.39 meters of 0.78% CuEq, consisting of 0.622% Cu copper, 4.2 grams a ton AG, which is silver, and 0.197 grams a ton AU, which is gold. So this is a good finding, folks. So be aware. You know, this could be a huge catalyst for the company. Hole number 3 intersected 10.96 meters of 1.76% CuEq, consisting of 1.365% Cu, copper, 9.6 grams a ton Ag, silver, and 0.488 grams a ton Au, which is gold. These encouraging high-grade drill results indicate that the true extent of Copper Castle, as yet known as the mineralization, remains open to the south, east, and west, stated Jaap Verbaas, CEO of CAVU. The tenor of mineralization surpasses what we expected, and Hole HOP21-DDH-01 contains the longest high-grade true width intersect drilled on the Hopper project to date. The holes tested a particular geophysical anomaly, which continues further south for several hundred meters, and we look forward to drill testing this anomaly and the mineralization along strike. So you can see the specifics on the drill holes. Those are the specifics. Now, I know it's early in the morning for you guys. We love to, the early bird catches the worm. In this case, the early bird catches the winners. Happy Money Monday, Amanda. Good to see you up nice and early, ready for the market open. And the market has now been open for 6 minutes. Let me just do a quick look here and see if there's any price action yet. Still don't see any movement yet. The market is just getting started. So exciting times, new week ahead, CAVU in Canada, CAVVF in America. And let's see here. So what else do they have to say in the news? Let's break it down. During approximately directed perpendicular to bedding and skarn horizons, therefore intersects are expected to be within 95% of true width. Assumptions used in USD for the copper equivalent calculations were metal prices of $3 a pound copper, $1,300 an ounce gold, which is pretty low, $18 an ounce silver, also low, and recovery is assumed to be 100% as only preliminary metallurgical test data is available. The following equation was used to calculate copper equivalents. CuEq equals copper percentage plus gold grams a ton times 0.6319 plus silver grams a ton times 0.0087. So you can see table 2, drill collars as surveyed in Copper Castle. Copper Castle extensions and geophysics. All right, let's break that down. Copper Castle is a skarn zone at the Hopper project of approximately 1,350 by 650 meters in aerial extent. Geological modeling indicates at least 8 skarn horizons from surface to 400 meters depth. The drill intersects from hole HOP21-DDH-01 to DDH-DDH-03 are from one continuous skarn horizon that is characterized by magnetite, chalcopyrite, pyrrhotite, skarn to magnetite, carbonate, chalcopyrite skarn. The drill holes targeted an electromagnetic EM anomaly that continues towards the south and north and is largely undrilled. The intersects confirm this anomaly is associated with intense skarnification and massive sulfide mineralization. The correlation of the anomaly to massive sulfide mineralization also supports other untested EM anomalies on the claim. QA, QC, and data verification. The current drill samples have analyzed by MS Analytical Langley and ISO 9001-2008 certified laboratory quality assurance and control. QA/QC is maintained at the lab through rigorous use of internal standards, blanks, and duplicates. And CAVU adds another 5% QA/QC samples consisting of standards, blanks, and field duplicates, QA/QC samples that return unacceptable values, trigger investigations into the results, and reanalysis of samples that were tested in the batch with the failed QA/QC sample. QP statement, Roger Holstein, geologist, is the qualified person of the company as defined by National Instrument 43101 and has reviewed the technical information presented within the news release. About CAVU Mining Corp. CAVU Mining Corp is a mining company engaged in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral projects containing metals used in green technologies and the renewable energy sector. The company is currently focused on the exploration of its Hopper copper gold project in Yukon and continues to evaluate complementary mineral projects in mining-friendly jurisdictions. Now, this is the big news that's circulating. I also want to show you guys something about CAVU. So let's do that. So you can see CAVU did finish up 4% on Friday, and it looks as though it's already traded 16,000 shares today and is up 4% today so far. That's right. Looks like they're up slightly today and already. So this is one of the things I want you guys to be aware of is the market cap and the shares issued and outstanding. Total shares, including all classes, right now there's 21 million shares issued and outstanding, but including warrants and options, fully diluted, we're talking about a 39 million shares issued and outstanding, all classes, which is tight. We call that bingo here at Rich TV Live. The market cap, including all classes right now, 19 million. But with the shares listed, issued, and outstanding, we have a baby market cap of 10 million, which is, to me, in my opinion, is extremely undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. Now, I must remind you that Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about or discuss here on Rich TV Live. In saying that, we do bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. Let's take a look at the markets. Let's quickly just take a look at the markets. Good morning, everybody. All right. So we're going to look at the market and we're going to see if CAVU Mining Corp has any big moves today. But you could see I have this marked at right around 38 cents. It was actually at 35 cents at the low when I brought it to you guys first. It's done this move up, this very aggressive move up since I brought this to everyone's attention and gone clearly right up. So this is trending up. That's very, very bullish. But one thing I want you guys to be aware of is these indicators. So let's take a look at all the indicators. One of the indicators that I use religiously is the RSI. The RSI is sitting right now at 80. That is really a sell zone. So you need to be aware of that. Now, it doesn't mean it's not going to continue forward. This news is very bullish. We could see it go much higher, but you need to be aware at some point that there will be some selling that will come because we are literally trading in a sell zone, the highest it's really ever been. So you need to be aware of that, okay? Now, the average volume for the last 3 months has only been 5,000 shares a day. So this is still very unknown. It's still a very unknown commodity, very unknown mining company and copper play, junior miner that just people just aren't aware of yet. But that doesn't mean that they won't be. And you can clearly see that the volume already today, 16,000 shares, is about triple the average daily volume for the last 3 months. So volume is starting to come in. And clearly you can see it's trending up, right? All the analysis says this is trending up. See what the MACD says. So see how the MACD crossed up? This was very bullish. There's no, like this indicator doesn't show a turn or a reversal anytime soon. Here on the Bollinger Bands, you can see it's really trading at the high of the zone. So you have to think at some point it will come back, do a little bit of a retrace. The question is when, because right now there's a lot of momentum. That's CAVU in Canada. Let's take a look at the US side. CAVVF in America, as you can see in our sign here. So very similar. You can see the average volume for the last 3 months in America has been about 13,000 shares. So far today in America, it hasn't traded yet. But since we started talking about them, you can see this has been trending right up. Literally trending right up since we've been talking about them. So that is obviously a very bullish indicator. Where does it go from here? That remains to be seen, but I definitely believe it has a chance to be a huge winner, especially as they continuously give us favorable drill results, which is always a huge catalyst for any stock. All right. Oh, look at that, folks. We're now at 50 cents, just like that. So there we go. We're now at 50 cents. You can see the stock is up 3% on the day, and it's actually traded 2.5 thousand shares so far. So I guess that volume it was showing was from Friday. It's already traded just 2,500 shares, which is buying. And because the stock is up now at 50 cents, it is literally at an all-time high right now. It's never been this high before. Well, since we've been watching it, I guess. Looks as though it has been this high before. Actually, it's been as high as around 70 cents in April. So it was been as high as 70, came down. Now it's making its move back up and currently at 50 cents on this news. Love to know what you guys think of this news. If you like the video, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education. Oh, now at 52 cents, folks. Look at that. We did it again. We did it again. Look at this, folks. 12,000 shares, now at 52 cents, up 7%. CAVU Mining. Congratulations to members all over the world. Brought you another winner, and we brought it to you first. But before I was saying that, I just must remind you guys that Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. In saying that, I do believe we bring more early stage winners than anyone else on the planet. Stay tuned to our top 10 coming just in a few days, where we've had incredible success at identifying companies that will explode. This is one that we brought you first, and surprise, surprise, it's been another winner for the community, now up 7% on the day. Congratulations to investors all over the world. Now at 55 cents. Wow. What do you guys think about this? Rocket now at 55 cents, up 13%, and is traded 29,000 shares. Huge, huge, huge. This is exciting, guys. This is a good way to start the day. What do you guys think about that? All right. What does Amanda have to say here? I saw it screaming up after you brought it to us. Hey, it's what we do. It's just what we do. It's what we do. I think we have a pretty good track record. And yes, it's nice to see the Rich TV Live effect. Yes, thank you, Amanda. I appreciate you. You guys have any more comments? Please put it in the chat. If you like these videos, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. If you're not part of our trading club, you can join our club. Simply go to www.richpicksdaily.com, where you too can learn how to become a profitable trader. Now, one of the things I want to say is that with this big news and with the stock doing well, you definitely need to, if you got into this early, at least think about taking profits. But with this news circulating, this could be a huge catalyst, and we may be just seeing this just in the beginning phase of this move for a company that has a very tight float, very small market cap, and is now just starting to make a move. Once again, CAVU Mining Corp, CAVU on the Canadian Securities Exchange in Canada, CAVVF on the OTC in America, and 8NQ in Frankfurt, Germany, where we have investors in all three major markets and all over the world. You too can join the club. We're giving away free money. Join the club. All you got to do is chat. The VIP members make more. Free members also get a chance to be entered into a draw if they are robust in the community and chatting with other members. Pretty cool, right? Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. I told you guys, my crystal ball was saying that this had a chance to be a huge winner, and it has not disappointed. Congratulations to investors all over the world. I think we have found yet another rocket to put in our pocket. My crystal ball is saying that this is just the beginning for CAVU Mining Corp. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out with another big winner that we brought to you first. Not second, not third, not fifth, not 55th, but first. It's true. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace. Another big winner. We did it again. Stay tuned. You know we got more rockets in our pockets. I'm out. Peace. I love winners.